Hello guys. So if you guys have a Mavic Air, we all want something um, a low noise because a lot of people complaining about how loud it is for the Mavic Air and also for the DJ Spark. And I don't know why DJI is not making this for the Mavic Air. And I know there's a lot of potential if they make it for also for DJI Spark. And the reason why I'm saying that because these two machine meds are really awesome. Um, I think it would be better if they do something like that. And also the battery um, for the Mavic Air. I mean, I don't know if you guys. I remember the Inspired One. They came out with the I call this the Pro version. There's a Pro version, and I remember when the first one when it came out, the battery only I think is what I forgot how many cell, but it's like 30. I think it was 38 or 37. And after that, when you get the Pro, DJI made for the Inspire One Pro version, and they made the battery to like all the way to like 48 or something like that. And the battery got bigger, so the flight time is a little bit better because of the camera they're adding on there is a little bit heavier. Well, anyway, I'm just saying like it would be awesome if DJI, you know, it seems like they can make another battery. It's a little bit bigger than this guy. I mean, they can make this a 30 minutes flight time or 32 minutes flight time, the Mavic Air. And also the DJI Spark, you know, if DJI makes something, make this to a 30 minutes flight time, it seems like they can add a little bit bigger battery. I mean, this guy got power. The DJ Spark is pretty powerful. I mean, you can actually, if you see my video, I actually put them, I actually put the, I call this together, the Osmo Pocket, and also I put the GoPro Hero 6, Hero 7, Black, and also the Instant 360 one. I mean, I think the Spark is powerful enough to be bigger battery, and also the DJI Mavic Air. I mean, it would be awesome. I mean, we would pay for it too. Me as a customer, I would pay for that when it do come out. But anyway, like I said, also the propellers. I want to mention it to you guys because these propellers here is, some of us complain. I don't really complain about it too much because I'm always in extreme wind, and the way this guy is really dark black, it's really hard to see sometimes when you're out there. But anyway, some of you guys are really complaining because this thing right here is pretty loud, and I don't know why DJI is not making one. I mean, they make it for the Mavic Pro 2, also for the Platinum or the Mavic Pro, and also now they have for the Phantom. They come a long way, and they actually made it for the Phantom. And it would be awesome if they make it for the Mavic Air and also the DJI Spark. To be honest with you, even the smallest, like to a tele drone, I don't really buy aftermarket propellers. I always have the genuine OEM that actually comes for, manufacturer is made for. I don't really buy aftermarket stuff, and it's just, especially with DJI drones, I never do it. I always keep with the stock because I'm always in a rough condition. I'm always in a rough environment. But anyway, enough with that. I know I talk about it too much, but anyways, so now this company make it for Mavic Air. It's called the Stealth. Um, this costs about, you're gonna spend about maybe $26 because the shipping, maybe 24 or 25. I gotta look at the link again for you guys. And this one's supposed to be quieter for the Mavic um, Air, and supposed to be efficient, supposed to be the battery more efficient also. But we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see what's inside of this thing, and what do you get by buying this. To be honest with you, I didn't get no you know, I pretty much paid cash for this. I'm sorry, I pay for my own money. I don't just, you know, get a review and everything. I always pay with my own money because that's the way to go for me, you know. Like, I want to tell you guys what it's all about, and it's really worth the money buying. But anyway, you get a sticker. So you get this brand here, you know, it's called Master Air Screw, whatever their company name. And they make it for Mavic Air. So let's go ahead and see what's inside of this guy here. So it comes with this pouch. I'm trying to make it look like reasonable propellers. I think they make like racing drones propellers, and also like I think they also make one for Mavic Air. I'm sorry, Mavic Pro, and maybe a Phantom 4s and stuff like that, Pros and Advance and whatever more other brands out there. But anyway, this is it right here. You guys can see it's about glossy. It's glossy black, and I'm gonna go ahead and compare it to the original Mavic Air propellers. And you guys can see here, the Mavic Air is flat black color, and you can see this one right here is it's more like a glossy look to it. But the DJI propellers is much stiffer. This guy right here is like, you know, it's very flexy. I don't know how this thing is gonna hold up in the wind, but and also the DJI Spark is stiff. It's not really flexible as this guy here. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit you see here the Mavic Air has just almost straight. Well, this guy right here is a little bit bent more. So that's the only way, the difference on this guy. But everything else is almost the same. Size and everything is all look the same. From comparing it to the Phantom, comparing the propellers, you can see the big difference. I don't really have the Mavic Pro, the stock propellers anymore, so I only have this, and I can't really compare the other ones to Mavics. But anyway, I have the Phantom, so you can see the big difference. You know, the low noise is much, you know, totally different. So and also it would be awesome if DJI makes something for Mavic Air, because, you know, I would spend the money, and all of us would, you know. And also for the DJI Spark. Come on, DJI, start making it. If you make it to Mavic Air, I'll definitely get one. But anyway, it's not about that. Let's go ahead and see what this guy, because this is the only company that actually gonna make a low noise one that I know of that is pretty decent. And we're gonna go ahead and see what it's all about. Again, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we're gonna go ahead and see how this guy work on the Mavic Air. Like I said, guys, I don't really buy aftermarket propellers. Um, Even the only way I probably buy aftermarket, like you can see here, the power bank, to go, and also for the air, for the spark, and also the Mavic 2, and for the tello. That's it. I don't buy no other aftermarket stuff. So anyways, again, thank you for watching, and we're gonna go ahead and put this guy in the field and what's it's all about.